Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Well, since you're here, how about I tell you a little bit about my work-based learning experience? What is work-based learning? Well, work-based learning is an educational strategy that provides students with real-life work experiences where they can apply their academic and technical skills and develop their employability. So a little bit about myself. My name is Jeremiah Perry, and I am a second-year student at the Horticulture program at Mid-America Technology Center. My advisor, Ms. Karen Murphy, has helped me to get out of my comfort zone and has pushed me to get these opportunities. So that's enough about me. Let's get into this. Today, I am at Petal Pusher Farm, a locally owned Oklahoma cut flower farm. Today, I am joined by the owner, Miss Jera. Hi, Miss Jera.
Hi, Jeremiah. Hey, everyone. I'm Jera Irby, and welcome to Petal Pusher Farms. My husband and I have been growing flowers out here since 2017. We grow on about an acre, and it's all field grown. So we grow flowers from March until first frost in October. Thanks for coming by.
So here I am in the 100-foot-long caterpillar tunnel. So what I have been doing the last couple weeks is installing irrigation into our new beds and also planting stock, poppies, snapdragons, and dahlias. Now, this tunnel is not a heated tunnel, but it just helps us to protect the plants during the cold winter months. So here at Petal Pushers, we do not use chemicals to treat weeds. So that means that we rely on hand weeding and hay mulching to give the plant the resources it needs to thrive. Another thing I do here at the farm is harvest the flowers. So after the flowers are harvested, we store them in our cooler until they are ready to be taken to local flower shops and farmers markets. So this is the barn, and this is where we hold all of our workshops throughout the year, such as wreath making, floral design classes, and then this is also where we help make the bouquets after you picks when they are done cutting the flowers in the field. The most satisfying part of this whole experience for me is to see the flowers in full bloom. So here I have a couple of pictures of some of the flowers we grew this past spring and fall. So here we have some queen lime zinnias, some ranunculus, and my favorite flower from this year, dahlias. We have planted over 16 different varieties of dahlias in our field this year, ranging in colors from pink, purple, red, white, and even orange. As you can see, I've gained so much knowledge and experience from this opportunity that can go towards my future career goal as a horticulturist. I am so proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone to better myself for my future career plans.